Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Measure and organize ingredients before you start to save time and avoid overcooking. Use 1 cup rolled oats, 2 cups vegetable broth, and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Prep 1/2 cup grated carrot, 1/2 cup chopped spinach, and 1/4 cup diced onion. You can also add 1/4 cup frozen peas or 1/4 cup corn if liked. Season with 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Keep a towel and spatula ready and taste as you go. Heat a medium saucepan over medium heat and sauté onion in 1 tablespoon olive oil for 2 to 3 minutes until translucent. Add the oats and toast for 30 seconds for nutness, then pour in 2 cups vegetable broth and bring to a simmer. Reduce to low and cook 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Stir in the grated carrot and chopped spinach in the last 2 minutes so they wilt but stay bright. Remove from heat and let sit 1 minute before serving. Finish the bowl with toppings that add texture and protein. Top with a soft-boiled egg, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, or 1 tablespoon grated Parmesan. For added creaminess and tang, stir in 2 tablespoons plain yogurt or 1/4 cup milk just before serving. If you want spice, drizzle 1/2 teaspoon chili oil or sprinkle 1/4 teaspoons smoked paprika. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.